The pandemic has certainly helped us, but I would start looking at this industry three ways. First, it's a structurally attractive. It has historically grown two times GDP before the pandemic. The second piece would be the merger with Zodiac, principally American company, giving Fluidra really a great platform to grow from, best geographic footprint, really complementary products. So we were in a very good position, principally completing that merge before the pandemic, and then the pandemic has really given this industry a step change, and we think it's a step change that's going to sustain for a while because it really tends to or ties to macro trends like work from home, flight from the cities to the suburbs. In the US, the migration to the South, everybody looking for more space, and often that means like a outdoor space, and often that puts the pool in the center of that picture. So it's obviously been very, very good for the pool industry.
Bruce, one of the big trends we've all been talking about, of course, has been the move away from major cities in towards countrysides where people do have more space. As we talk about that trend unfolding, which of the markets have been strongest for you during this phase?
Well, I would point to Northwest Europe has been particularly strong. I would give Germany a focus, but by far the largest market is the US. That merge set us up well for the US market. Zodiac was extremely well positioned, particularly in the Sun Belt of the US, and that's where we've seen the greatest migration.
What are consumers going for at this stage in terms of some of the trends? I mean, buying a pool is one thing, but there's all sorts of designs and size, indoor, outdoor. What is the sort of spend that people are looking for, and what type of designs?
Yeah, I think the pool from 10, 15 years ago is really long gone. People expect energy efficiency. They expect the pool to be connected. So Internet of Things, and they look for features, whether it's spas, waterfalls, fires, light shows, a number of things. And then, of course, anything to make the pool easier to manage.
A pool is often a selling point too for many major hotels, for instance, and it can be a key feature. What are you seeing in that part of the market, though? Because we know that travel and leisure has been hard hit by this pandemic, but then leisure travelers, when they do go somewhere, they expect something special. So what does that market look like at this stage?
Yeah, it's I think that's a good question. I mean, we certainly saw the commercial space significantly impacted during the early stages of COVID, and through really the rest of 2020. We started to see it improve probably a little bit earlier than we expected, towards this summer as people got ready for travel again, and now it looks like it's pausing a little bit again as we head into the fall. So it very much is tied to travel and leisure. As people start to go, the spend ramps up, and if everybody's staying home, that part will be a little bit slower. Fortunately for us, it's only about 5% of our sales. It is something that we expect to come back, and it's something that we are excited about in the longer term. And one of the reasons why we made the acquisition today of SR Smith, they're principally American-based. They're a very complementary product to us, a great team, but a good portion of their business is commercial, which we think is long-term good for Fluidra.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.